The World Health Organization has described the coronavirus outbreak as a pandemic.
And we're deeply concerned both by the alarming levels of spread and severity and by the alarming levels of inaction. Pandemic is not a word to use lightly or carelessly. It's a word that, if misused, can cause unreasonable fear.
A pandemic is an epidemic on a far greater geographic scale that affects a much larger number of people. Earlier, Angela Merkel said up to 70% of the German population was likely to become infected with the virus if the situation remains unchanged. Her blunt assessment was criticised by some as being alarmist. Germany has about 1,300 cases, but only a handful of deaths as of Wednesday. Merkel expressed deep sympathy for nearby country Italy, Europe's worst hit, with over 600 deaths. Its nationwide lockdown only allows people to move for reasons of work, for health needs or for emergencies. Public transport is still in operation. People are going to the office and forming long queues outside supermarkets, told to keep a distance of a metre from each other. Many business owners, like tobacconist Nicola Dattilo in Milan, are feeling the effects.
Obviously, people are more and more scared of approaching the counter because of all the things being said on television.
Further south in Rome, the Vatican's St. Peter's Square is closed, the Pope addressing his followers via video conference instead. If you want to travel, you need to fill in a document explaining your reasons and carry it with you. If you're found to have lied, you could face a fine or even a jail term. Across the rest of the continent, Austria is denying entry to people arriving from Italy. Britain's junior health minister has tested positive for the virus, and Poland is closing all schools.